Hey, Dan Fitzpatrick here, stockmarketmentor.com, and it's Monday, November 13th. I want to look at AI here today. That's C3.AI, the kind of original artificial intelligence stock for the masses. And this is why. We had a really nice run on this going back here. You could see the kind of move this has made. And then a pretty significant fall from grace here. It got about 50% of its market cap slashed. But just over the last, couple of weeks here, it started on the 2nd of November when this thing popped up to the upside. Now earnings are not for about 3 more weeks or so. And so this is a really good, it looks to me like it's in a pretty good position for a swing trade. A breakout above the 50 on volume, high volume, and then high volume on the following day, not quite as high as the prior day, but that's always, it's typically always what happens. So these two are big volume days, and this is institutional buying. And then after that, as the stock pulled back, volume declined, trading volume declined. Now, this stock already today, I'm doing this at 3:17 Eastern. This stock already today has printed about the same volume as we got on Friday, which was an options expiration Friday, weekly, not monthly for you anal retentive people. But still, we're going to get a higher volume day today unless they decide to go back and revise the scoreboard. And so here's what my suggestion is. Again, it's for a swing trade. I'm not looking for that, though it would be nice. All I'm really looking for is continued moves to the upside. You can see where the 200-day moving average has been kind of resistance the last couple of times. But with this higher low, I like anticipating $26 as being a floor to this stock, and you can see where it's kind of turning around here. It's making this kind of turn. And so if the stock breaks out above here and certainly above the 200-day moving average, I think we're going to get a really, really nice move to the upside here. NVIDIA, with their earnings coming out on the 21st, that'll probably move the stock too. It sounds weird that it would do that, but NVIDIA makes the GPUs that artificial intelligence needs. So, hey man, they're related. Anyway, so that would be my trade on this, is even if you're taking the stock at here at like 27.30 and you're keeping a stop just a little bit below 26, it's like, what do we got? We got about 6% of a risk, and that's fine. That's okay. So anyway, by the way, if you are a member, well, it doesn't matter if you're a member or a non-member of Stock Market Mentor. I want to let you know that I'm going to be starting what's called a fast track series of videos. It's 12 hours in total that runs you all the way through, some during your time on the free email list, and then if you want to continue it, you'll need to be a trial member for $7. And then if you find it useful, then you go ahead and get into a first month's membership in order to get through this. But there's 12 hours of combined video on everything from trading the VWAP to position size to correct buying of bases, when to sell, stuff like that. So this is something that it's taken me quite a while to put together, and I'm real proud of it. And I know that you're going to get a lot out of it. And so anyway, watch for that. Probably be talking more about that next week, maybe at the end of this week. I don't know. Just kind of depends on how things go. It's a little bit out of my hands now. So anyway, that's all I got for you. Have an awesome day.